today we will make a catching game scratch. Let's start. This is a ball. Right arrow pressed and change expected. Just duplicate it. Left arrow pressed, change expected. Go to that. When this click forever, change Y by -5. Yeah. If then Y position is smaller than -170, then go to random position, set X to 159. When it's clicked, just duplicate this. When it's clicked, set score to 0. Forever, if then touching ball. If then touching ball, the start sound collect, and then go to random position. Just duplicate this. Yeah. And the one and script. When this click forever, this one is that click forever, if then touching edge, then we have to just broadcast a message card touched, and yeah, this is the code. So when this clicked hide, when I see touched, go to front layer, show, stop, on. Okay, so it's easy to making, and the front layer is because that without that, if this touch, then the background or this game over will show not here. It will show the apples will be up. So for that, I just make it front layer. One thing that I want to do here also, then go to for the position. This is for the position 0 and -2. Okay, 0, -2. So let's play, and yeah, I thought that there will be change. Let's go back. Let's play the game. Oh. Okay, so we can see that the apple is not coming at the first. It will first go up, so that we know, but this is not happening. 151, 151, 151. So guys, let's play this game. Oh, I just already changed the backdrop.